Hello fellow DIYers and focus owners. Today I'm going to attempt to replace my AC radiator with this Nissan one. For that I guess I will need to remove the front bumper, maybe the intercooler, and I'm not sure about the lights, but maybe, probably not. So that's why I'm going to do a 3 or 4 video series depending on what I will remove, and hopefully this will help you guys out. So yeah, I will start by removing the intercooler. So then, intercooler. Let's start by removing the intercooler cover. Almost lost that one. So here you can see the collection of bugs under or in the intercooler, yeah. And as you can see, the intercooler for this car is kind of small, but it prevents turbo lag. Well, yeah, that's kind of relative because you still have some turbo lag, but with this setup you have minimal turbo lag. Anyway, let's follow up by removing these bolts and unlocking the tubing from those two. If I remember correctly, you will need 8mm, 7mm sockets. And here we have the intercooler removed. What can I say? Oh yeah, these hose clamps are aftermarket. If I remember correctly, the originals are those clip-on ones, and I highly advise you to replace them. Okay, so now that we remove the intercooler, you might want to wash it out and hopefully make it cool a little bit better, because you know all this dust and stuff on it doesn't help the cooling effect. So yeah, moving on to the next thing, or to the next part. Removal of the bumper, I guess. Maybe for that I will need to remove the lights, but we'll see. Thanks for watching, guys. The next part will be out in a few days, I guess. By the way, you can subscribe so you don't miss the next part. And don't forget to have a great day. And for free, out.